Okay, so we're at the University of Macau, so we're going to be kind of checking out some of the damage from the typhoon that went through. I'll tell you all about it as well. So this is just a small part of it, of course, but we'll walk around and you can see more of the stuff. So, okay, stay tuned. This is just the very beginning part, so.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're going to continue. One of the things about it is that I was here to there was also some other bad ones. 2 years ago there was a really bad one through, and 3 years ago was nasty. This one was actually not too bad. It was just like, this is about 2 hours where the winds are really howling, where that Hado one about 3 years ago was, that one was, lasted like a day and a half of just this constant howling and destruction. So this one is, it still did damage, of course, but nothing like the other one. But we're gonna just kind of check out, yeah, mostly just uprooted a lot of trees, and then you can also see some of this, some of the way they did this too, right? So it's pretty strong. But yeah, like the one from 3 years ago, it actually like took down banyan trees, like these massive 1,000-year trees and such. So comparatively, this isn't too bad at all, fortunately. Yeah, we're gonna check all this out and more. It looks like they've, last year, or 2 years ago and 3 years ago, these trees were also ripped out, and they were, a lot of these poles were also ripped out too, and some of them were like cut in half, you know. So it feels like they already cleared these if they fell into the street, like the other years they did. But yeah. Anyways, today we're gonna be seeing more. These things just fly in the wind all over the place. But of course they don't go down like these ones do, of course. Anyways, this is just a very small part of the university. And for you that don't know, oh, that's funny. There's a swimming pool that's never been in use because it wasn't built properly. But now there's actually water in it, like a little pool of water. But yeah, this has never been in use. It's I think it's been here 6 years. Oh, there's a red and white fender that must have blown over from something. You can see that red and white. It's like a metal piece of something that was maybe, who knows where that was from. Okay, anyways. Oh yeah, actually this one has all the scaffolding. That one is probably a, yeah, there's lots of stuff that kind of got thrown everywhere. It's pretty typical. Here's that red and white stuff again. So some of it came over here. Is that metal or paper? It's metal, yeah. It looks like it's like the way that it's damaged, looks like it's like a paper. But yeah, it's metal. Anyways, that's that one. Yeah, that metal just got, whatever that metal is just, it's like just shredded. Yeah, that's all metal. Yeah, it's all like aluminum, and but yeah, the way that it's like shredded looks like it was probably in the wind and flying all over the place. There's more of it over there too. Whatever that red and white shredding is. This one, some trees got stuck in this one. Yeah, the scaffolding is missing some pieces. But actually the scaffolding is really strong because they're supposed to walk up on it, right? So they secure it incredibly strongly. So that should stay, you know, the bamboo part. But the other part, oh, that red and white stuff is just, it's just part of that kind of stuff. Okay, anyways, this is just a glimpse of the university. And we're gonna see more, so just keep watching. I'll get a lot more videos up there soon. Okay, so yeah, it looks like it. Basically, this whole row is just shredded of trees, kind of all mangled up because they had all the support, you know, so that it wouldn't go down. Of course. Well, that's not the only reason. Well, it is, but anyways. All right. So yeah, so actually I'm going to be filming more in the city as well. So we're just kind of checking this out. This will take a little more time for them to clean it up. I think last time when we had these other typhoons, it took them like, actually I think they were sitting here for like, oh man, quite a while. Anyways, stay tuned. I'm going to just keep filming more typhoon stuff, and I'll try to get it up as soon as I can. So yeah.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.